Let me say this straight away. Women aren't as mysterious as many people make them seem. In reality, once you understand the psychology behind their behavior, emotions, and desires, you'll realize something powerful. Making a woman deeply interested in you has nothing to do with looks, money, or even being overly nice. It's about knowing how her mind actually works. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that. Welcome back to the channel, fellas. Today, we're diving into one of the most eye-opening and talked about topics in modern dating: how to use female psychology in a way that makes a woman think about you constantly. I'm not talking about just getting her to like you or feel attracted to you. I'm talking about creating that deeper level of interest, the kind that keeps you on her mind day and night, the kind that shifts the balance and puts you in a stronger position. Now, let's be clear, this isn't about manipulation. This is about awareness. It's about understanding the subtle psychological triggers that most men ignore and women themselves rarely talk about. Why? Because these responses are subconscious. They don't even realize they're reacting to them, but once you understand them, you will. What you're about to learn are 7 psychological strategies that connect directly to a woman's emotional wiring. These aren't cheap pickup lines or tricks. They're real behavioral patterns, emotional signals, and mindset shifts that flip a switch in her mind. And once it flips, she can't unsee you. She'll start valuing you, craving your presence, and even idealizing you. Most men spend their whole lives chasing women who barely notice them. After this video, you won't be one of them. You'll understand what really makes a woman deeply interested, and more importantly, how to naturally spark that interest. So buckle up, because once you know these 7 methods, you'll never look at women or yourself in the same way again. Number 1, don't obsess over her looks. Praise her mind. Most men fall into the same trap. They meet a beautiful woman, and the first thing they say is some version of, "Wow, you're so gorgeous," or "You're the prettiest woman I've ever seen." And while it sounds flattering, it actually does more harm than good if you want to stand out. Here's the truth. Attractive women hear those compliments all the time. It doesn't move them. In fact, they've learned to filter them out. So, when you focus on her looks, you instantly become another forgettable guy feeding her ego. She already knows she's attractive. You're just confirming it like everyone else. But if you want her to truly notice you and think about you long after you've gone, here's the trick. Don't obsess over her beauty. Instead, compliment her mind, her thoughts, her perspective. Women rarely feel genuinely seen beyond their looks. Most men don't even notice how sharp, witty, or insightful they are. That's where your power lies. Say she makes an interesting point about a book, an idea, or even relationships. You look her in the eye and say, "You know what? Most people don't think that way. That's rare." Boom. That's a compliment she doesn't hear every day. It taps into her identity. It shows her you see what others miss. And that makes you unforgettable. The moment you stop drooling over her appearance and start engaging her mind, something changes. She becomes curious, she seeks your approval, and she starts chasing you. Because now it's not about her looks, it's about something deeper, something she can't control. That mystery is addictive. This also creates what psychologists call a value reversal. Instead of acting like you're lucky to talk to her, she starts feeling lucky to have earned your attention. That's when obsession begins. And here's the kicker. The less you talk about her looks, the more powerful it is when you finally do. If you casually mention, "By the way, you're stunning," after connecting with her deeply, it lands 10 times harder. It's no longer empty flattery, it's validation from a man she respects. Bottom line, don't feed the part of her that everyone else sees. Feed the part she hides. That's where real obsession begins. Number 2, pull away when she wants you close. This one gets into her head in a way she won't even be able to explain, and it works because it flips the emotional script most men follow. Here's what usually happens. When a woman starts showing more interest, texting more, calling more, maybe even getting a little clingy, most guys think, yes, I finally got her. Now I need to match her energy so I don't lose her. So they double down, more attention, more messages, more time. But that's exactly the wrong move. Because women don't obsess over men who are always available. They become obsessed with men who create emotional tension, and the way you do that is by pulling away just when she starts leaning in. Not ghosting, not being cold, just being a little less available than she wants. Enough to keep her guessing, enough to create space in her mind. That's when her thoughts start racing. Why didn't he reply yet? Did I say something wrong? Why am I thinking about him so much? And congratulations, you're in her head. See, women crave emotional stimulation. Predictability kills attraction. When she knows she can have you whenever she wants, the thrill disappears. But when she feels like she almost has you, but not fully, that's when you activate a different part of her psychology. And here's the key. You're not doing this out of fear or insecurity. You're doing it because you're grounded in your own energy. You're showing her that you enjoy her company, but don't need her for validation. That energy is magnetic. Pulling away when she wants you close creates a powerful effect. When you do show affection, it feels rare, valuable, and real. She'll lean in harder, trying to figure you out, trying to win you again. And that's exactly where you want her. Curious, engaged, and yes, obsessed. Number 3, make her jealous, subtly. Most men avoid this topic because it sounds toxic or manipulative. But the truth is, jealousy, when used subtly and with confidence, is one of the most powerful emotional triggers in female psychology. Jealousy isn't about hurting her or making her insecure. It's about showing her without saying a word that you're valuable and desired by others, that you're not just sitting around waiting for her attention. Here's where men usually mess up. The moment they get a woman's interest, they drop everything. They stop living their own life, stop socializing, and make her the center of their world. And that kills attraction. Why? Because deep down, women want to feel they've chosen a man other women also want. If no one else finds you attractive, she starts questioning her own interest. But if she senses, even subtly, that other women enjoy being around you, it flips a switch in her mind. The key is not bragging or flirting in her face. That's immature. The key is in your energy and presence. Live a life that naturally draws people to you. Let her see, without words, that you have options. Women pick up on these cues instantly. And when she feels that little spark of jealousy, 2 things happen. She pays closer attention to you, and she starts thinking about you even more. That emotional competition keeps her engaged, because now it's not about you chasing her, it's about her securing her place with you. Bottom line, handled correctly, a little jealousy isn't toxic. It's powerful. It keeps her alert, emotionally invested, and hooked on the idea of keeping you all to herself. Number 4, act like you could walk away anytime. There's a unique power in a man who isn't afraid to lose a woman because he knows he won't lose himself. That mindset alone separates you from most men. See, once many guys get some affection or intimacy, they start clinging. They overthink, bend over backward, and act like keeping her happy is their lifeline. Without realizing it, they give away all their power. But women don't obsess over men who act like they can't live without them. They become obsessed with the ones who are calm, centered, and willing to walk away if necessary. That kind of confidence makes a woman stop and question everything. When you carry yourself like this, you send a clear message. I want you, but I don't need you. And that frame makes her lean in, because suddenly you're not another guy begging for her attention. You're a man she has to earn. Walking away isn't about threats or games. It's about standards. It shows her you're not emotionally dependent. You're choosing her because she adds value, not because you're afraid of losing her. And that mindset, that's what makes you unforgettable. Number 5, be unpredictable. If she can figure out everything about you, the excitement fades fast. Predictability kills curiosity, and once curiosity is gone, so is the spark. Human nature loves unpredictability. We get invested in what we can't fully understand. Women are no different. When you're smooth, confident, but unpredictable, you stay in her thoughts. She'll wonder, what's he going to do next? Why does he seem different today? That tension becomes obsession. Now, this doesn't mean being unstable or playing games. It means breaking patterns. If you always text first, switch it up. If you always compliment her the same way, stop being so predictable. If you always initiate plans, step back sometimes and let her take the lead. This subtle unpredictability keeps her emotionally alert. It makes her chase. And more importantly, it makes you unforgettable. Because the man she can't fully figure out is the man she can't stop thinking about. Number 6, trigger her competitive side. Whether they admit it or not, women are naturally competitive when it comes to men they desire. Even if she plays it cool, when she sees other women giving you attention, something shifts inside her. Most men make the mistake of dropping every other option the moment they meet a woman they like. They make her the only focus too soon. And while that seems sweet, it removes the challenge. It makes her feel she already has you without effort. But when she notices other women enjoy your presence, it activates a different psychology. It's no longer just about liking you. It's about proving herself, standing out, and winning you. You don't need to flaunt it or brag. Just live in a way that naturally attracts people. Be social, be charismatic, be confident, and let her feel that energy. That competitive spark will make her invest more, fight harder for your attention, and think of you constantly. Because here's the truth. When a woman feels like she could lose you, she'll do everything she can to keep you. Number 7, give attention, then pull it back. Most guys mess this up. The moment a woman gives them some attention, they flood her with compliments, affection, and endless energy. And while it seems good-hearted, it actually kills attraction. Why? Because when attention is constant, it loses its impact. It becomes background noise. She doesn't feel it, she doesn't value it, and she doesn't crave it. What creates obsession isn't constant attention, it's contrast. It's the moment of deep connection followed by space. It's the high of feeling your energy, then the quiet that makes her miss it. That contrast is what sparks emotion. It makes your attention valuable, something she wants more of. But most men never give her the chance to chase. They're too busy chasing her. When you stop being predictable and start creating this rhythm, giving attention, then pulling back, you'll notice a change. She'll start chasing, she'll start wondering, and she'll start valuing every bit of attention you give. That's how you flip the dynamic. That's how you go from being another guy chasing her to the man she can't stop thinking about. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment, and share if you want to keep these videos coming.